Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up webhooks on your Shopify store so you can easily automate your store's workflow. First, log into Shopify and go to the Settings section at the bottom of the page. Under Settings, select Notifications. Scroll down to find the Webhooks option. Click on Create Webhook, then choose the event you want to be notified about. Shopify offers a variety of events, such as new orders, stock updates, or product modifications. For example, I will choose Customer Enable. After selecting the event you want to track, specify the data format you want to receive. You can choose either JSON or XML format, depending on your needs. The next step is to enter the URL that will receive the webhook data. This URL will be the link to the service or system you want to automate your workflow with. Make sure this URL can handle the requests and process the data Shopify will send. Next, click Save, and the webhook will be set up successfully. That's it. Now you can automate your store's workflow using webhooks to directly connect Shopify with other apps or systems.